Welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, we look at Rudy Giuliani, once the mayor of New York City and later a high-profile attorney for former President Donald Trump. After major legal battles and a dramatic shift in his public standing, many ask, where is he now? Let's find out. Giuliani served as mayor of New York City from 1994 to 2001, a tenure highlighted by his leadership during the September 11 attacks. He later became a national figure, ran for president in 2008, and became Trump's personal lawyer, especially after the 2020 presidential election. His image went from hero to controversial figure, largely centered on his role in the election-related lawsuits and the subsequent fallout. In recent years, Giuliani has faced serious legal and financial problems. He has been disbarred in several jurisdictions for conduct related to his election fraud claims. He was ordered to pay large sums in defamation and other lawsuits, and saw his legal license and reputation deeply damaged. At the same time, he has stepped back from high-profile public office and conventional legal practice. Where is Rudy Giuliani now? As of now, Giuliani is living primarily in Florida, having sold his New York apartment and shifted his residence. His professional role is significantly diminished. He no longer practices as a lawyer in the same capacity, and his public appearances are far less frequent. He remains involved in politics as a supporter of conservative causes, but without the official roles he once held. His health and age are also factors. He's in his early 82s and recently was involved in a serious car accident, which generated media attention. He still faces ongoing civil and criminal challenges, meaning his future remains uncertain. Rudy Giuliani's journey shows how public fortunes can rise and fall. From mayor of one of the world's most prominent cities to a figure facing legal exile and changing residences, his story is a cautionary tale about power, reputation, and consequences. Thanks for watching, Vim Survivors. If you found this update helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more Where Are They Now stories.